By now, I hope we've met. My name is Linda Bradley and I'm with Princess House. Our company has been in business for over 60 years and I've been with them for over 40. And I have a great package for you tonight. This is a limited time offer and it's available for just 2 customers. It consists of 3 of our top selling items. Our blender has been the #1 selling item in the catalog since it was introduced 5.5 years ago. It has 3 pre-programmed settings, one's for smoothies, one's for dips and spreads, and one's for hot soup in just 7 minutes. It comes with a tamper so that when you have thick or sticky things, you can go ahead and mix it. Another one of our top sellers is our 40-quart stock pot. It's nice because it has the steamer rack. The lid has the tempered glass top, and it has that beautiful Princess Heritage pattern in it. This package includes one more item, and that's the 60-quart stock pot. So that one is 20 quarts bigger than the 40-quart. Literally slash the price in half. You'll be able to get all 3 items, the 40-quart, the 60-quart, and the blender for just $945. And that includes tax and shipping. It's delivered directly to your house. You can either pay in full or start with a down payment of just $240 and then make 8 payments of $88 each. Please reach out to me at thelindabradley@gmail.com so that you can put your name on this set.